can sue you.
You can sue me? Okay. Yeah. I'm trying to get you home safely.
Yeah.
You could not drive your truck, if you remember, okay?
Yeah.
All right, Pedro.
Yeah.
Does this look familiar where we are right now?
What is this?
Okay, this is, you told me, first you said 6th Avenue South, 6th Avenue South. Now you said Melaleuca.
Yeah.
This is, we got to get you home. This has been going on for 2 hours now. You got to really concentrate here and help me get you home, okay? Okay, whose American Express card is this?
My boss.
Your boss.
Yeah.
Are you allowed to pay for the tax? Oh, shit, stop. Fuck.
What happened?
No.
What happened?
Shit, we just went underwater.
Oh.
Oh, fuck.
It's okay.
Oh, fuck. No, it's not okay. No, it's not okay. Fuck.
It's floating, does it?
Yep. See, this is not good. How am I going to get out of this? Fuck. All right, Pedro, this is getting to the point now. If I drove into that, we need to figure out where you live because I can't do this. This is a dangerous storm we're driving in.
Yeah.
Okay. We can't be doing this. All right. Where do you live?
Lakeworth.
Lake Worth.
South. 6th Avenue South.
Okay, 6th Avenue South.
Yeah.
6th Avenue South or Melaleuca?
6th Avenue South.
Jesus, that was so
They're
close.
back there.
Back. Okay, my friend, I can't, okay? All right, Pedro, where do you work? You said you work in Boca?
Yeah.
What do you do in Boca?
Landscaping.
Landscaping, okay. Okay, when you go to work in Boca, you get on 95?
Yeah.
Okay, do you get on 95 from Congress or you get on 95 from Dixie?
Congress.
Okay, so do you live on Melaleuca in Congress?
Yeah. You go in 95. That's it.
My friend, you really are so intoxicated, you really have no idea what's going on.
Hold on.
Huh? Okay, at this point, I really don't know what to do with you. We are at 6th Avenue South and 95 right now.
Okay. Take it easy.
Hey, no, this is bad because I almost drove through a flood zone. I almost just lost my car. This is not good, my friend. I mean, I'm glad you didn't get in that truck and drive, but I'm getting a little bit past the point right now, okay?
For sick,
Okay, what is proximal? What is close to your house? You come
95.
Okay, this is 95 right here, my friend.
Melaleuca in 95.
Okay, Melaleuca is back that way, and that's through a flood zone.
No,
my friend, Dixie is this way.
Yeah. 95 and...
Holy crap.
What is this? 6th Avenue South.
You don't recognize anything here.
What is this?
This is Dixie and 6th Avenue South.
Almost close there. Before.
Okay. All right. You've already used up $150. All right. Okay. Pedro, let's try this again. Donde la casa?
6th Avenue South.
Okay, 6th Avenue South. It's kind of a big road, my friend. I'm getting tired. I'm getting a little aggravated. You need to be sobering up. You've been in the cab for 2 hours now. I don't understand how you're getting drunker.
What is this?
What is this? Okay. I really would hate to have a police officer help you find out where you live, because
No.
I mean, you did really good by not getting in your car and driving, but at this point right now, you're not leaving me a lot of options, okay?
This I live right there, close to 95.
Do you live right here?
Yeah, right there.
Okay. See, this is good. This is stuff that we need. And I really recommend you don't drink that 12-pack that you bought, okay? That would be really, really a bad plan.
Before.
No, because then you're not going to have a job tomorrow, and that would really suck. So, okay. So, Pedro?
Yeah.
Okay. No, you take it easy. See, there's the Federales right there. We don't need them. Okay.
Pass to 95 and then we'll be there.
Okay. It's east of 95.
No, right there.
Okay.
You
Okay.
go
Good. No,
straight,
this is
right
good.
there.
This is good. Let the healing begin. No, this is good stuff. Okay. You feel a little better?
Much better.
Okay. What time do you have to go to work tomorrow?
6 o'clock. 6:45.
6:45.
Yeah.
Oh my God, my friend, it's like 5 o'clock in the morning right now.
Alright.
Oh. Maybe you should start drinking like warm milk instead of beer. Switch it up a little bit. Maybe. Okay. I gotta tell you, I'm a little past it right now, I must say.